Hello everyone, this is Anshu back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can directly connect the GoPro to your smartphone and get the live feed directly to your phone. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all what you have to do is download the GoPro app from the Play Store or iOS Store. What you have to do is simply go to the Play Store and search for GoPro. And here you can see this GoPro video editor and movie maker app will show up, and you have to download it. So I have downloaded it already. Okay, so what you have to do is simply click on the open button and it will open up the dashboard of the GoPro app. And next what you have to do is slide over to the GoPro camera icon over here, and then it will show you that you have to turn on the Wi-Fi of the GoPro. So on your GoPro what you have to simply do is power up the GoPro by pressing the mode button over here, and it will power it on. So on the GoPro what you have to do is simply toggle down the notification panel like this, and in this one what you have to do is select the connect option, and here you have to choose connect new device. And in this menu what you have to do is simply click on the GoPro app, and it will load up saying that returning to GoPro app and follow instructions. So on the smartphone what you have to simply do is click on the plus icon over here, little plus icon. You have to simply click over here and it will start searching for the GoPro cameras near. Okay, so it has found it our GoPro. So simply over here you can choose the connect option, and if it's not showing your camera, so you can simply choose not your camera, and here it shows that it has connected to your smartphone. And on your smartphone you have to simply turn on the Wi-Fi on, and it will show up your camera over here. Simply choose, and it has connected your camera. And next what you have to do is simply click the done option. Now you have to wait a little so that it gets connected to your camera and show you the live feed. It says your Hero 5 Black is ready, and what you have to do is simply click on the let's go button. Okay, so as you can see it is live viewing the camera and you are good to go. And on the GoPro app you can simply see by pressing the setting icon you can control resolution, frame per second, field of view, and many other options that you can actually control it by GoPro in your hands. But now you can simply control it by wireless technologies like Wi-Fi, and you can simply record your videos like pressing this button over here and pause it. They will save it to the SD card that the GoPro does have, and you can also take live photos from it that you are flying or viewing a scenic beauty. Okay, so that's all you can do with this, and hope you like this video. Press the subscribe button and get some knowledge about using GoPro and streaming your videos directly to your phone. Hope you like this video and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.